Maraming salamat sa mga nag-organize dito sa USM and for inviting me. Sobrang first time ko po dito. Kaya nakakatuwa naman yung pag-welcome niyo sa akin. Ayan. Gusto ko na sa inyo ipangala si Ram. Say hi to Ram. Ayan. Yan at aking magiging gitarista tonight. Alam niyo itong song na to. Isa to sa mga kinanta ko sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Sino nanonood ng Tawag ng Tanghalan? Ayan. Maraming salamat po kung binoto niyo man ako at patuloy kayo nag-promote para makarating ako sa Grand Finals, Semifinals, Grand Finals. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko magpasalamat dahil hindi ko mararating yung narating ko ngayon kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Kamusta kayo dyan? Hindi ko makikita yung mga masyado dito. Ayun. This is song by Ed Sheeran. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Ay, naano ko din, monitors. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart is simple as heart at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, but maybe just a touch of a hand. For me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your hands on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. When my hands all but gone and the memory fades, all or nothing, and the crowds all remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, ooh, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul will never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. 'Cause I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, but maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand that baby now. Pwede ko ba kayo marinig? Louder. Thank you. Galing. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Give it up for Ram, everyone. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, la, 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 la. Thank you. So baby, now ulit. Maybe we found love right where we are. And maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are. Thank you. Anong pangalan mo? Joy, maraming salamat. Wala pa ka man si Joy. Thank you so much.